Today we are going to learn how to create a mesh point to auto image using Agisoft software, where we're going to add all the drone imagery and then create a mesh point, then dim, then from dim to auto image. You can see first we need to create a mesh point, and this takes some time depending upon the resolution of your systems and require specification of your system. It will take some time. We'll wait a while. Yeah, so you can see all the images are loaded in mesh point system. You can see total point errors, total point in image, all images are visible very clearly. Then we're going to create a mesh point. For that, we'll go to you can see from the image video, we'll go to you can see just setting up all these. It will take some time, definitely. Go to watermark workplace, and here we'll find the chunks, and you can see all the images are here. We can see the chunks. After chunk will create a mesh point. Take some time. You can see that, yeah, you can see all the mesh point are here visible in blue color very clearly. And after this we'll create a mesh point. First we created a tie point, then we'll create a mesh point. Hope you get that. And after this we'll go to create a dense cloud, and then dim, then auto image at last. It will take some time. Wait a while. Okay, we'll go to add photo. There you will see a build mesh option. Create on that. You can see a lot of options is here. You can see build dense cloud. We'll do that. We'll choose the less version because our system is not too capable, so it will take much time to process that. Okay. Will take some time. We'll wait for that. Processing, you can see that. Wait a bit. Now we have a dense cloud. You can see around 4,70,000 points. You can see that from image. Each tiny pixel is going to help us to create the next step, which is dame. Now we'll create a dame. Just click on build dame. Add point option and skip all the parameters which is required, and you can see in image we need in here point. Click OK. Before that we need to save the file. That's why the process didn't happen. Now we're saving the file. Now you can see we just created. Take some time, we'll wait till it's happen. The name is here very clearly. Very clearly visible. Just zoom in and see the area where you are interested in. Then we will create our ortho image, give all the parameters. It will help us to make the ortho image, and that is the final product of this work. And which is very relevant, very useful, widely usable when we are working with drone imagery, drone data, or even such cases is possible when we are working with the data set, mass point in lighter cases. This will take a bit time based on the system specific requirement. It depends upon your system, how capable your system is for mathematical calculation, basically the algorithm, Now you can see it will take some time, then it will process. It's almost done. Just have to wait a little more and it will be done. Now you can see it's almost there. Auto image is visible. You can see that the processing is just taking place. A bit more time and we'll have our final output. It totally depends upon your system capability, how accurate, how specific capability is. Because this is a long-term taking process, and it requires a good hardware and a system, a better GPU and RAM. You can see the final output is almost there. We are just finishing up. Will take a little more time. Have it. Just give it a wait. Our product almost there, guys. Just wait a moment. Yeah, here is it. You can see clearly in your image. Very clear, accurate image. Because we created from all the base points, we create our own name, then we created our own ortho image. You can identify the clarity of the image. You can see that very clearly visible in this beautiful location, which is based in USA, because our data images are from USA. It's one of the examples. You can adopt that in your work, anywhere relevant to your work. You can see that this is a final process. Take a bit time and we will have our clear image. See now. Change the texture and then you have image clarity. Just give it time. Just follow the steps and you have the final product. Thank you guys. We almost finished. Like, subscribe, share.